Have you ever found yourself staring at a price tag that felt like a punch to the gut? 90,000 rupees for a new laptop. It feels impossible, out of reach, a luxury for another version of you. But then, your eyes drift just a few inches lower. 7,500 a month. Suddenly, the mountain becomes a molehill. The shock vanishes, replaced by a sense of relief and accessibility. Welcome to the psychological trap of the installment. It is a masterful manipulation of how our brains perceive value and cost. When we see a small monthly number, our brain stops evaluating the total debt and starts looking at the immediate affordability of the slice. It's a series of yeses that feel harmless. 5,000 here, 3,000 there. It feels like winning, doesn't it? Your home begins to look like a showroom. The lighting is perfect, the items are beautiful. You feel like you've finally arrived, but in the quiet corners of this new life, something else is growing. Unseen, unheard, but very much present. For every small installment, a new shadow joins the crowd. They are the silent partners in your purchases, waiting for their turn. Imagine walking through a forest, but instead of trees, you're surrounded by tall, thin pillars representing your monthly commitments. With every new buy now click, the pillars grow closer together. The path forward, once wide and open, begins to narrow. Then comes the first of the month, the day of the great harvest, the moment your hard-earned salary hits the account. But before you can even celebrate, the alerts begin. A rapid-fire sequence of subtractions that feel like tiny cuts. Every notification steals a piece of the light. Every installment claims its territory in your bank balance before you can touch it. You are surrounded by beautiful things, yet you feel poorer than ever. This is the reality of the salary trap. Life, however, doesn't wait for your next billing cycle. An emergency hits, a leaking pipe, a broken car, or a medical bill. When you try to pay for what actually matters, you find your leverage is gone. The shadows have finally stepped into the light. This is the moment of clarity. It's time to stop looking at the steps and start looking at the mountain. He writes down the truth. Not 7,000 a month, but 48,000 in total. The full weight of the choice becomes visible. Reclaiming your financial intentionality starts with seeing through the framing. If you can't afford the total, you can't afford the installment. True freedom isn't found in owning more things. It's found in owning your time and your future income. Don't let the small numbers blind you. See the whole mountain, not just the step. Take back your leverage today.